Good afternoon, folks. So today I'm going to show you how to check your mobile data and also to check if you have a New Zealand SIM installed on your vehicle. So let's start by checking your mobile data. Now remember, this data resets once every month and it is a car limitation. So the car on the first of the month resets your data allowance to 2 GB. It's 2 gigabytes of mobile data from the SIM card installed in the vehicle. This is not a restriction from the mobile service provider of the SIM card. This is by the car itself. The car says every month I am allowed to use 2 GB of mobile data from the installed SIM card. So how do you check for this mobile data allowance? So you go to your app panels on the home screen. So you press home if you want, slide to the left, go to the utility tools, go to data monitor, and there it is. Now today is the 29th of April 2023 and I have used 800 MB plus of mobile data over the month, and my monthly data pack is showing as 2 GB as my total allowance. That is permitted by the car, not by the service provider. The service provider, I do not think, has a specific limit on how much data they will provide, but 2 GB is what the car limits it to. Any updates that are downloaded are not considered a part of this 2 GB allowance. So any over-the-air updates that you see on your vehicle when they come up are free of cost and do not count towards your 2 GB allowance. So that's your allowance. You can also break that up by tapping on data usage over there, and you can see which apps have been using data. Now I have installed some other apps, so you will see the data they have been using, but those are all the apps that are installed. You can see Spotify has used 665 MB of data, and that Spotify is set on the low audio quality setting. So there we go. That's how you check the mobile data allowance. Now, how do you check if you have a New Zealand SIM card? So let's start again. Let's go to the settings. You need to go to DI link. In there, you need to go to cellular data, but do not tap anything else. Just tap on that 10 times on the cellular data. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And when you do that, you will see that there is a SIM card in slot number 1 or number 2, one of them. I don't know, I think it's probably number 1 there. And that's a Telstra Australian SIM card. Automatic network selection is selected. Mobile network that I'm on is Spark. You may be on a different network in New Zealand based on the available, signal strength in your area. I don't know if that changes automatically, probably does. But yeah, and that's all there is to it. That tells you you've got the Australian SIM card and you are on the New Zealand network, and that means your SIM card has been swapped to a New Zealand SIM card, and you can now get 2 GB of mobile data every month for 2 years. Thank you for watching. Drive safe. Bye-bye.